Let me show you how I bedazzle my Ralph Lauren Perfume Romance. So of course you're going to need your perfume. I use Ralph Lauren Romance because it smells so good. B7000 for my glue, a wax pencil, and clear rhinestones in sizes 2M through 5M. Only clear rhinestones. That's the only ones I used this entire video. So I thought about sanding this, but it just didn't work. So I just skipped right into gluing. And because B7000 is really strong, it worked out pretty good. Really good, actually. Just a little disclaimer, if you are using B7000, make sure that you're in a well-ventilated room or area. I use a fan, all windows open, and I let my projects dry outside. But moving right along, to start the perfume, I did like an outline of the perfume bottle. I did the wider part first, and then I did the smaller part, but because I was not paying attention to the video, I messed up that part. But I am using the honeycomb method. This is my favorite method. It's basically placing one rhinestone in between every two rhinestones to make a honeycomb-like pattern, which you'll see, but you can't see because it's clear, transparent, and this bottle is completely empty. So it is a little challenging to really see me place the clear rhinestones, and the background just didn't help. Maybe I should have placed something like right, I don't know, behind it. But yeah, so this is part of the video where I did the side of the perfume. It didn't work out, so I'm just going to show you again how I did it on the other side, the back side. This one I did cover up the logo. I don't know which part the logo is on. I don't know if it was the other side or this one, but it was really like faint. And this is a small bottle. This is like the 1 ounce bottle, I believe. I have the bigger one. I'm gonna do a separate video just to show you the difference, and I'm gonna use maybe a different rhinestone because like this one was so pretty. Like I'm just like so obsessed with it. I just want to see it in a different variation. But here I am placing the rhinestones in my honeycomb pattern. You can't really tell, but I tried my best to keep it nice and straight as possible. And I do use the filler stones like in that little corner over there, where you can see where the light is, just a little bit, to place like 2M, maybe a 3M if it does fit, depending on the size. But yeah, it was really simple project. Can't go wrong. I took maybe 30 minutes, I don't know. And here, what I like about this perfume is that it's kind of mirrored. So this one looks like it's kind of like a clear, not a clear, but like a silver rhinestone, but it's not. And I'm just placing them like in rows, no pattern, just a row of rhinestones, and making sure they're straight and aligned. And I also did that with the other side. I'm also going to do the honeycomb pattern at the top here. I was deciding if I wanted to do like the straight rows or not. I should have probably would have lined up just a little bit better, but I just wanted to try a little something new. I mean, I feel like the size was justified, and I believe this size that I'm using is a 3M size rhinestone. And let me tell you, I am obsessed. Like, look at this. It's giving, the bottle came this way. I wish I would have bedazzled the top, like that little space, but I think this did just enough. But let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you again for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bedazzle content.